All right. Welcome, traders. It is April 1st, 2024, and we will begin by looking at our top plays pre-market so far right now to look for today's trading session. Number one, VSTE. Looking at this here, started right here. As you can see, went up from 360 to $13.10, which is a pretty good uptrend. So right now it seems as though it should get a really nice push off, probably looking like around here. So you can see the ABCD pattern right here. This is a holding a support right here. So this is support. So what I'm going to do is try to enter around 1271 for the break. So we're going to watch out for that. As you can see, A, B, C, pull down off VWAP, and it should explode over the price of 1272. So we're going to wait for that. It looks like it has 29 million in float, 5.6 million in volume, so it's not bad. It's got to wait for the entry for this one. Next up on our list is CXAI. As you can see here, it has news as well. 15 million in float, 6.7 million in volume, not bad. This will have to pull back a little bit, so we're not going to play this right now. It has to pull back a little bit more, so we're going to keep an eye out on that one. And last but not least, it is M as in Mary, D, I as in Apple. As you can see here, it has about 26 million in float, 13.6 million in volume. I love the volume on this. It's a lower price stock, so you have to be careful and be mindful of that. So right now I'm looking at it. It will need some time for it to break off like I would like. So I think it should. We have to wait probably. Well, we may have to wait till like 11 a.m. for this one. So we're gonna wait till around 11 a.m. So as we know, this is A. Let's see if it holds this area as B, and we'll wait for 11 a.m. to embark on an entry. So between 9 and 11 a.m. it should be trying to find a C. So this is A, this is B, so we're trying to wait for C. So this is gonna be a minute. All right, so we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen with this one. Actually, no, well, yeah. Wait till like 11 a.m. But other than that, that is all. So we have 30 more seconds to the market open, so we're gonna wait and be patient. So right now we're just gonna wait for our number one right now, which is VEST. It has to pass that 1272 area, okay? So we're gonna wait for it. Normally we never play the first 30 minutes, but we want to see and make sure, okay? So right now we got 5 more seconds. We're gonna be patient and see what happens. Let's see if it holds VWAP. If it doesn't hold VWAP, of course, wait 30 minutes. Let's put an alert right here, so we ain't gotta keep staring at one thing. That's another thing we always teach our traders. Basically, put your alert and keep it moving. Look at your watch list for the next one. As you can see here, nothing. Let's put our alert somewhere around here. Leave it alone. Put our alert. Now we're looking at this one. We're still trying to pinpoint the right area. As you can see, I'm thinking 11 a.m., but we're gonna find out. Yeah, I like 11 a.m. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put an alert right here. Well, I got alert. Let's go back. And I got another alert for our number one. Remember, this has to pull down, so I have to give this plenty of time. This one had my alert as well. As you can see, still waiting. At 1280. Is being patient. So while we're being patient, I'm just looking at our scanner, trying to see if there's anything else moving. That's has a potential to move even further. So right now we're just being patient. It's at 1290. Well, I'm sorry, 1190. See the pullback right here? See that? See how that went from 1180, 1190s, then it pulled right back to 1030, like it should be halting going down. Cause it was such a massive pull down. You see that? Have to be patient and wait for your key areas, because this will happen to you if you do not wait for your key area. You see that? Happen in less than 1 minute. Gotta be patient. Let's move on. Let's put our alert here, and let's keep moving. Have our alert here. Never see it's trying to hold this area like we drew earlier, pre-market. We're gonna wait. Let's look at this one, still pulling down. Let's put our alert here. So as we say, we have to be patient. Normally you probably have to wait 30 minutes to the market, so nothing alert. Okay, we got another alert. Pass it here, but it's still never gonna be ready. Okay, we just have to be patient for this one. So as you can see, I do not like the pattern isn't there. So you just gotta be patient and just wait. So I guess we will be back in about 30 minutes to look at the charts. But right now, as you can see, nothing's moving. So I guess I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. It is 8:34 Central Standard Time, 9:34 Eastern Standard Time. So we're gonna be patient and wait on it, okay? All right, be back I'll be back 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern. Okay, I am back, and it is 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern. As you can see right here, this is the new candle for 9 a.m. Central, 10 a.m. Eastern. As you can see, holding the support right here, as we stated earlier, and it still has not reached the level that I would like to have it at, between here and here. This is the area I would like for the candle to close above. So we have around one more hour, 11 a.m. Eastern, for it to possibly move up to here, 10 a.m. Central. So as you can see, we're just waiting for that area. Let's look at the other one. As you can see, it's moving up. We still need it to fall. It has not fallen yet. All right. So we're just gonna wait for that as well. And last but not least, as you can see, still holding the support from earlier. So we're just being patient. So right now, we already know the key areas. So all we're doing right now is being patient. Looking at the scanner, I don't see anything worth looking at as far as the scanner is concerned. So we're just going to focus on those three and just wait and be patient. So in this stock right here on VSTE, we can't do anything till it hit around the $12 area for us to even look at. So right now, we're just being patient with this one. We can't do nothing. So leave this one alone. This one has to drop. CXAI, and This one right here, that's to push above 95 cents. So right now we can't do anything on nothing right now. So looking at this, we'll wait another 30 minutes and see what happens. But until then, uh, just sit on your hands and be patient. All right, see you guys in 30 minutes. All right, it is 10:30. Just looking at the tickers that we was looking at earlier. As you can see, it is still on a slow upward trend. We still need for it to, looks like, pull down. So it's still not there yet. Let's take a look at VSTE. As you can see, it's trying to hold that support area. Still has a long way to go. So we're just going to keep an eye on that. And then, last but not least, MDIA, as you can see, still has a lot of room. So we're on the right path. We're not making any trades until the pattern shows itself, okay? So let's look at the scanner. Let's see here. There's nothing on the scanner that I'm interested in, to be honest with you. Really not interested in anything in the scanner. Nope. So as you can see, nothing is here yet. It may be an afternoon play, maybe. Like I stated before, it still not ready. Still need to get past a certain area. So we're just gonna sit on our hands and just wait for anything to happen in the afternoon. So I guess I'll see you guys in another 30 minutes. All right, I am back. It is 10 a.m. Central, 11 a.m. Eastern, as you can see here. It's still trying to hold support, but I don't see any volume, any buyers stepping in right now. So we still have this area right here to look at around 95 cents. Still hasn't reached that area as of yet. So we're just going to continue to wait. Now, looking at the chart pattern and how I see things, it looks like, let me remove this line here. It looks as though it may not be, that's new B. So it may not be ready probably until after noon, afternoon Central, 1 p.m. Eastern, looks like. So let's see if we can hold this support right here. Let's see what it can do right there. So until then, we cannot do anything. So we're just gonna hold our hands and wait for other plays. Let's look at the other ones. This one's still gradually going up slowly, as you can see. I'm not interested in patterns like this. You know, slow motion or going up on the uptrend. I'm not really interested in those type of patterns. So I'm gonna leave that one alone. I may delete it. Next is VSTE, as you can see. It still has a lot of wiggle room. So I'm just gonna wait. Let's see here. Let me see if I can draw my new lines as far as the ABCD pattern. This is A here. So it looks like B. Let me remove this line. B looks like it is. B is like right there for right now. Let's see if it holds that position. But it still needs to get above this area right here for me to try to step in and make a play on it. So we can't make any moves on this one, unfortunately. So we're just going to wait and be patient with that one as well. So that is what we have right now. Looking at this pattern will not be ready until maybe after 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So we're going to just be patient and wait on this because this has a long way to go. I don't see it's going past this area before 1 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're going to leave this one alone. Nothing's on the scanner that I'm interested in. I see this one on the scanner. 6 million, 6.4 million in float, 2 million in volume. No news in regards to this. Just looking at the play setup of this. I'm not interested in this one at all. A little bit slow motion for me. No real movement. The volume is real low compared to the others, such as CXAI. This has over 108 million in volume, so a lot of people are paying attention to this one. But I'm still waiting for it to pull down. It may be too crowded right now, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. And this one looks like it's okay, but like I said earlier, we have to wait to probably after 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I guess I will see you guys in at 1 p.m. Eastern, 12 Central Standard Time. Okay, see you guys then. Alright, it is 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12 Central. As you can see, it's still trying to hold weight, but I don't believe it will. The only thing that could possibly happen if it gets above here, draw a line right there, gets above this line right here, we can make a, let's see here, see if we can hold this weight right there. So we're gonna see between these lines here, if it gets above here and close, I would say probably within the next say 3 p.m. we could get in, but like I stated before, we can't get in before 3 p.m. So we're just gonna wait and be patient and see what's gonna happen. Okay, for this one, it still has a long way to go. I'm hoping it will rally. So basically, it needs to get above 892. Really, 892, this area right here. But I want it to be above VWAP. So we're gonna wait for that. CXAI, as you can see, it's a slow stairway going up, but now it's pulling down. And this what I like to do right now. So it's pulling down, which is great. So now I'm just waiting for a support level. Now just by looking at it, we already know this is A right now. So now I'm trying to look for a support area. Don't want it to be overextended, but we're gonna just be patient and wait on this. So now, just by looking at how everything is moving, I'm looking at it here very closely. This probably won't be ready until another hour. So I give it another hour. Just by looking at the angles. Let's see if it holds this area right here. So A, B. Let's see if it holds this area. We're gonna wait probably like another. To be honest with you, man, we have to wait till around 2 p.m. Eastern time and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this one. And this one is pretty much gone. I'm looking at it right now. I'm gonna delete this from our watch list. Leave that one alone. So we only have 2 that we can potentially play still. Let's look at the scanner. Let's see what's going on. Right here, this has 13 million in float, 3.8 million in volume. It has potential, but as you can see, the tape is very, very slow on it. So no one's really paying attention to this. I probably will not play it. I'll probably play the ones that everybody's basically focused on. Plus, the relative volume on this is pretty low. So I'm not gonna play anything that the relative volume is also low. We need something pretty high, which is these 2. So we're gonna focus on these 2 today. Okay. Let's go back to here one last time. As you can see, it has a long way to go, so I'm just gonna be patient and wait for it. But as of right now, it's not it. So we're gonna be patient and wait. Okay. So, like I said, around 2 p.m. Eastern time, we'll take a look at it and see what's going on with it. It, it can't get past the 667 until after 2 p.m. Eastern time. So right now we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Look at this one. Still, it's kind of like it's trying to sell out, but you never know. So okay, so I'll see you guys at 2 p.m. Eastern time, 1 p.m. Central time. All right, I'm back a little early. It's around 1:23 right now. Just by looking at everything, I don't see it's coming back. So at this point, I'm gonna call it a day. So I'll see you guys. There's no trades today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay focused and always stay trading.